old are you? How old are you? Huh? 30 years? Really? Wow. You're 30 years? And your mom is there, your dad is there? How many do you have? How many siblings do you have? Huh? 9 siblings. Are you the last? The first son? Is any of your brothers here? You just came alone?
No.
Huh?
He's old.
Your oldie? Who's your oldie?
See the old lady.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Can we see your membership card? Yep, can you show me your membership card? Oh, okay.
Is that his file?
Yes, this is his file.
Did he go to school?
That's what I want to check. His credentials.
Are you working closely with your governor? So is that aware that you're here?
I have seen when he went
How
to present.
optimistic are you to win the? Do you have any opponent running?
Yes, very good.
How do you want us to help you? Yes, how do we help you?
You want to help me to pass the school and
You will pass the school.
Yes, go back to province because people called me to serve and I will serve. I'm not the one who called myself. It's people that called me to serve them.
Yes.
Oh my God.
And you want to serve them.
Yes.
And how many of those people are running? How many people are running against you?
In APC.
Yes, in
No, we're
APC.
only two.
Only 2.
Yes.
Why don't you talk to the other person to step down for you?
No, he's the current member, he's the second member.
How many times has it
No,
gone?
the first time.
First time.
Yes.
Why do you want to replace him?
No, it's not from me, it's from the people.
I love that.
That's okay. Write your name.
What's the level of education? You have not seen it. I think
Yes.
you just...
What of his credentials?
We will come to that.
Hello, Munu. Okay.
The constituency.
Yeah, yo.
The camera person says so. Your camera is blocking.
Latvia.
Okay.